Off a bit. The sun's starting to come in. All right, look. Hi everyone, and thanks for tuning in the channel. So today, as you can see, I'm wearing a toque again. This cold is hanging in. I think winter, I don't want to say it, but it's here. We're very close. Anyway, so here I am. I'm cold. Got my winter gear. So today's video is, well, Derek and I, we've been talking about doing this for quite some time. And it was more of a wish, dreaming. We did a thing. We did a thing. And I will show you. Yep, we did it. Right? Right. So we've been talking about this for quite some time, saying how we must have.
We need an excavator.
We need an excavator.
And we found one.
And we found one.
Yeah.
And I'm going to learn how to operate.
It's really easy to operate.
It's very easy.
Yeah, yeah, you won't have no problems. Yeah.
The size of that bucket. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
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 My gosh, this thing's huge.
Yeah.
All right, so I don't know anything about it, so I guess you're in charge on telling us what we got.
It's a case 125B. That's all I know.
It's a case 125B.
Yeah. Somebody's painted it.
Somebody's painted it? What color was it before?
Well, it's probably the same, but you can see they painted
over the case. Oh yeah.
I think it's like a 91, 92.
91, 92.
Something like that, yeah.
So I can zoom in. Yeah. Yes. 125 is back here. 125B. All right, well, you gonna show us the inside?
Yeah.
Says it's an older machine, but it's gonna be just fine. I guess it's older, but one of our newer machines.
Yeah, it's a 90 or 91.
I mean, the Yanmar is new, but
yeah, but as far as big machinery, yeah, everything I own is out of the 60s.
so this 90s sounds so new.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Yeah, brand new almost.
So how does this like work? Like in tonnage or no?
Yeah, I guess it's I think it's 24 tons.
24 tons?
I think that's what it said it was. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So, well, as you can see, it's tall.
Yeah.
It's big.
You gotta climb up.
I can't climb up.
Yeah.
I'm too short.
Yeah.
Yep, I'm too short. All right, so kind of give you perspective on how big it is. It's way down there. Yeah. Well, look, I even got a sunroof. Yes, I don't know what anything does yet. I will be given my first
Lesson, yeah.
my beginner's lesson. So Derek will show me how to operate this, and don't judge me at first. I will be learning. Yeah. So, does it have air conditioning, heat? No air conditioning.
It's got a heater, I see. It's underneath the seat there.
There's a heater.
I have no idea if it works or not. We'll have to look into
Not
that.
sure. Says we're gonna fix it up to the way that we like it, and yeah. Says just a perspective on. I don't know if you can even see from there. Yeah. We have an excavator.
We have an excavator.
We have an excavator. Now it's learn to operate it. So the off-grid property, well, that's it. This is going to be the next step. This is where the big jobs are going to get done, right?
This will move a lot of material very quickly.
It's going to move a lot of material. It's going to dig all the holes, get all the tree stumps, and move all the trees, and just we've been joking about it, saying that we need an excavator. We need an excavator, and I guess we should maybe tell everyone.
Yeah, well, it was our.
Yeah, so we were talking about it we've said on how many videos?
Yeah. Well, you can only do so much with the skidder and that old crawler. Yeah. And one of our good neighbors reached out and said they had this machine sitting there that they weren't using. So we were able to make a deal on it, and here it is. Yeah. I was able to drive it to the house here.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And then so next spring we'll get it floated out to the property. It's got some leaks and some issues we got to fix.
Yeah.
So we'll do that over the winter, and then in the spring it'll head out to the property.
Gosh, that bucket. I'm gonna have to go stand in it.
Yeah.
Just to the boom. Give perspective on how big. I didn't think it was going to be this big. So when Derek said that, we found an excavator and we're buying an excavator, I haven't seen it. He took care of all the wheeling and dealing and everything else. I had no idea how big it was. All right, so we're going to do more research on it so that we have more knowledge on the machine. I'm going to go outside, show everyone how big from the bucket size, and then Derek will give me my first lesson. All right, so perspective, right? I mean, kind of, sort of. That's going to get lots done.
Yep.
This is bigger than what I thought it was going to be, but bigger is better.
Yep.
Bigger is better.
Yep.
All right, so Derek is going to bring it to an area in the back so that he can give me my first lesson.
That's right, someplace where there's lots of room.
Someplace where there's lots of room so that I don't hurt anything.
Yeah.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Missing one.
Yep.
All right.
For those one down.
Those hard to find?
I don't know. We'll find out.
Let's find out. Cool.
Yeah. Because if you wear that down, then
well, this is a better perspective. You standing right next to it. Yeah, there we go. I mean, I went in the bucket.
yeah,
You're not going in. Oh. Here, babies. What are you guys doing? Pumpkin. Yeah, babies. Choo Chewy. All right, so Derek is gonna finish what we got started back there, and I think I did okay. I think I did okay. Yeah, I mean, for my first time, I'm happy with myself. I think the best part is it was actually very easy. I mean, it's not that it easy. I thought, or I was expecting a lot harder. Yeah, it's not coming out right. It was fun. Let's go with fun. It was fun. It was easier than what I thought it was going to be. I was catching along. Practice will make me a good operator. Yeah, I'm excited. We did a thing. Just like that, we have an excavator. So I'm gonna walk back down to the house because now it's feeding time. I gotta feed the horses and that. So on that note, I'm gonna end this video, and yay, we have an excavator. The off-grid property is going to see the next step. Yay. All right, well, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave me a comment. I want to hear from you. And for the ones that have been watching me since the beginning, thank you. I appreciate it. And you've seen how much work we've put into that property, and eventually we'll get in some more. We are still working on the sauna, on the log sauna. That is going to be ongoing. More future videos coming with that, so yeah. But other than that, on that note, I'm going to end this one, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care, everyone.